I went to put on my pants this morning for a change, and when I did, my belt came apart. Now, I bought this belt, I don't know, about a year ago. What happens to belts usually is the thing up here gets, messed up, right? From cinching it up and moving around and whatnot. But this is still in really good shape. Mainly because I don't move around a lot anymore. And when I do, I tend to wear like track pants. This is my dressing up outfit for the shop. So anyway, looking at the belt, here's the belt itself. Here's the buckle. But, wow, in between is this thing right here. See, some designer thought that it would be cool to make it so that the belt was reversible in a way that the buckle would swivel around. Like, okay, you get reversible belts, but they have like a flat buckle that doesn't do that. But this guy thought it would be cool to make that swivel around. And to make that happen, he made this part here that fastens to the end of the belt, and then it fastens to the buckle with this very small pin that's in here that's spring-loaded. Okay, and the pin, and here's where the design falls down. The pin is just pressed into this side of the buckle and nothing else. So that is bound to fail. That cannot stand. I mean, the pin itself might be strong enough for a few years, but it's the attachment to the other part that's the problem. It's pressed in, and it failed. So I'm going to attempt to fix it. However, I don't think I'm going to have it so that it swivels. Okay, hole drilled, but the pin is just a little bit too long. See, when I drilled through this and through this inside here, and the thing is here. So the pin kind of goes all the way through that and sticks out a little bit. So I'm going to reduce the length of the pin with my trusty angle grinder. I should do it. Doesn't have to be that much shorter. I just don't want to touch on that thing. That pin went in real solid. What I'm doing now is just wiping off the epoxy that's squeezed out all over the place. I think the combination of the epoxy and the pin seating in there real good, real tight, may hold this together. At least to the point where I feel that I have my money's worth out of the belt, until I can see some, real deterioration happening here. All I need to do is go inside my house and get the set screws and attach it back onto the belt after I let the epoxy fully cure.
I had a dream last night. My belly button was a Phillips head screw. And I'm working on unscrewing it. And when I get it unscrewed, my penis falls off.